Alright guys, well let's move on to the makeup tutorial of this magical look today. Wait, some drink me reality potion? Okay. Oh, I guess this is really me, guys. Calm down, I know you're probably thinking, Karen, that's just makeup, but I drank the potion, guys. Come on. Anyway, these are the NYX professional makeup products that I will be using for today's look. First, I picked up the Angel Veil Primer and applied it all over my face. Then I went with my brows. I picked up the cream color in Rebellious Edge and the NYX Liquid Suede in Run This World. Once again, I pick up the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede in Run This World to cut my crease and create a wing. Just wing it, guys. Literally, watch. Now with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, I am going to detail the edges of the wing. With the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I grab the lavender and I apply it all over my lid. And then with the glitter golds, I add some detail to the edges of my wing. Once again, the NYX Liquid Suede in Run This World, we will be using this a lot throughout this look. Now I will conceal my designer bags. And with the Drop It foundation, I'm gonna go all over my face. This is the lightest tone that I had because that's what I wanted for this look. It's not that I can't match my skin tone. Yeah. Now we will be doing some contouring, and this is with the purple color from the Ultimate Brights palette. And then we are creating some lines on my forehead, and you have to do this with the note that you received from the Face Awards. Otherwise it doesn't work. Wait, you can do it with anything, but I just had to be a little extra. Once again, I pick up the Drop foundation and I'm gonna apply it all over my neck and on my chest and shoulders. I am now adding a design on my neck, and I am doing this with a very thin brush and with some black eyeshadow and some mixing medium. I mean, I'm just licking the brush. Sorry guys, but that's just how it works. Now I'm adding some shading to the edges. With the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede in the color Alien, I am going to be shading in the black and then the white squares. Then I am going to be setting with SFX powder from NYX Professional Makeup. If you don't set, especially on areas where you tend to bend, it's not going to stay. And once again, I am designing my chest piece with some eyeshadow and a very thin brush. For the neck, I did add glitter in the tone GLI07 from NYX Professional Makeup, and I applied it with the glitter primer from NYX Professional Makeup. Now I am going to be adding some gold. This is a pigment, a gold pigment. I will be outlining a rose that I will be drawing on my chest. I'm shading in the clock in white and half of the rose as well. The other half of the rose will be red. I am outlining everything a little darker with the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede in the tone Alien. Adding some shading inside the clock. Now I pick up once again the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede and Run This World, and I outline all the gold pieces so that I can color the outside easier. Now I am filling in all the negative space with the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede and Run This World. I am adding some black shading to make it more three-dimensional. And this is just done with a brush and some eyeshadow. Now with the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner, I am adding some dimension to my rose and all over my piece to give it some light. I did draw a butterfly on the bottom of the chest piece, and I'm just using the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede and Alien to outline it in black. And once again, I picked up the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede in the tone Alien to draw in the details of the clock, including the eyes of the cat and the smile of the cat. Now I will go ahead and I will grab my accessories and be right back. And here you go, guys. I also added the lashes, which are one of the pairs, the Wicked Lashes from NYX Professional Makeup, and the lip gloss is the Glow On Luminous Lip Gloss in Lilac Vibes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and vote.
Alright guys, well this was my final challenge. Don't forget to vote September 23rd till September 27th, 3 times per day per email address. That's 3 times every 24 hours per email address. Use all the email addresses you possibly can, your grandma's, your sisters, your dogs, your birds, any email address you can, 3 times per day, because these are the finals, and from here they will be electing Artist of the Year, which is first place, and first place will first place will go to LA to compete for the global title, which we all want to be there. So guys, let's go really hard on this voting more than ever. We need to contact anyone we possibly know that can share the voting, that can help us. We need to spread the word. We need to share on our stories, on our timelines. We need to vote every single day. But let's go. I know we can do it, and regardless of what happens, I'm already super happy and super grateful. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Bueno amigos, este fue el reto final para los Face Awards 2019 en Estados Unidos. Espero que les haya gustado. No olviden que pueden votar del 23 de septiembre al 27 de septiembre para este reto que va a elegir al ganador, la ganadora, para Artista del Año en Estados Unidos, quien se irá a competir globalmente en Los Ángeles contra todos los países que ganaron primer lugar. Así que por favor, el 23 de septiembre al 27 de septiembre hay que votar 3 veces por día, cada 24 horas, por cuenta de correo electrónico. Utiliza todas las cuentas de correo electrónico que tengas. Si tienes la de tu abuelita, la de tu perro, de tu pájaro, de quien sea, usa tus cuentas de correo electrónico para que podamos tener una chance de ganar esta final. Aparte de eso, quiero agradecerles porque yo sé que muchísima gente ha estado ahí apoyando desde el principio y no ha sido nada fácil. Sí han sido unos 3-4 meses súper ocupados, súper necesitando ayuda aquí, que de votos, de esto, para hacer los videos de esto, y he tenido mucho apoyo de muchísima gente y estoy muy agradecida. Y quiero decirles que estoy consciente de cada persona que me ha ayudado, ya sea con su voto, ya sea compartiendo, ya sea corriendo la voz, como sea. Los llevo aquí en mi corazón y en mi mente, y si ahorita he estado muy ocupada y quizá parezca que no he estado muy activa en redes sociales o no me he comunicado con ciertas personas, es solamente porque di todo mi enfoque a esta competencia, pero claro que estoy consciente de todas esas personas que me han ayudado y se los agradezco muchísimo de todo corazón. Así que vamos por este primer lugar. Necesitamos más votos que nunca. Corre la voz todo lo que puedas. Vota cada día, por favor. Son 5 días de votación, pero sí necesito cada voto. Y pues vamos a ver qué pasa. De cualquier forma, ya estar aquí es una gran recompensa y me siento ganadora, porque jamás pensé que estaría aquí. Es una final nacional. Y pues aquí estamos, gracias a ustedes, en la final de los NYX Face Awards 2019. Y vamos por más, vamos a tratar de votar lo más que se pueda, a ver si podemos ir por ese primer lugar. Y si no, de todas formas, gracias a todos por su apoyo, y yo sigo feliz, pase lo que pase, porque sé que di todo en esta competencia. Muchísimas gracias.